So yan, importante kasi ano, alam nila yung rules, lalo na sa bare knuckle. So si Coach Franco yung nagsasabi ng mga rules sa bare knuckle nila. So far wala pa si Mr. Mainit, pero nandito na si Map Soberano.
Pero visual stuff. Ang start, pinaka-start.
Kala ko si Mr. Mainit, hindi pala eh.
For example, every part sequence to fighter A goes to fighter B.
Yan, pinapaliwanag.
One knee down. Sequence will be A. Referee will be allowed to go all the way through. Kapagita siya sa inyo. Then, afterwards, the moment na pumagita siya sa inyo, dapat itigil na kayo. Afterwards, referee comes outside, touches you, tells you to go to a neutral corner. Blue corner, red corner, neutral corner, white. Okay? So, sasabihan kayo ni referee, go back, knockdown. Referee siya, knockdown, neutral corner. The moment there's a knockdown, meron tayong official timer. Upon it, sino pala yung timer?
Boy.
Boy.
Boy. Boy.
Sinong timer natin? Sinong timer natin?
Si Brax. Ayun. Ito.
Okay. The moment may knockdown. Tiga. The moment may knockdown. Okay? The moment may knockdown, either contact sa floor or separation from the referee, lalabas naman, tigilan ka. 1, 2, 3. Kasi point of reference ka ngayon, at sinabi niyang neutral corner, titignan ka niyan. Kung ano yung bilang mo, pupunta sa sasaluhin niya yung bilang mo. Okay? So upon knockdown, standing 8 count. Standing 8 count, you recover by 7 or 8. Okay? Referee will tell you, hands up, walk towards me. The referee sees that you're fit to fight, fight continues. If not, wave off. Clear tayo doon? Okay? Now, duration, knockdown rule, counting, neutral corners. Now, dito na tayo sa medyo nitty-gritty part. Sino na nakapanood sa inyo ng BKFC? Good. Ikaw, coach mo to. Okay. Ngayon, you're not a 2 minutes, 3 rounds. Ngayon, ang rule set natin, dito tayo magiging dito ngayon kasi may subjectivity. Sa clinching, saka utilization of cage. Kasi ang BKFC open sila, tayo naka-clinch tayo. So, when you talk about clinching, you're only allowed to clinch with one hand. As much as possible. Para rin sa inyo yun, one hand. Kasi pag nag-plumb kayo, boom, sumuntok siya, counted yun. Clear? So ideally, hindi na siya advisable. Now, when you're the attacking opponent, grab, eagle. One hand, underhook, while punching, eagle. Overhook, punching, eagle. Bakit matagal yan? Kahit matagal. Okay? One hand clinch, one hand plumb. One hand clinch sa neck and arm control. Good tayo dyan. Okay? Gusto nyo medyo sneaky, overhook kayo, click nyo dito. Okay? Now, ito yung natin. Dito magbabantay si referee. The moment, upon contact, pak, mo kayo ng isa. Okay? Ito yung allowable ngayon. The moment you're still within the one hand, the clinch situation, charge kayo dito, pak! Okay. Bilang! Technique! Pagdating dito, pak! Suntok. Okay pa rin yan. Okay? The moment bigla kayo nag-double, na clinch, double underhooks, nag-trap kayo dito, titigil ng referee yun. Okay? Separate yun. Okay? Now, ang sasabihin ni referee, break. So, pag any time within the bout, break. Pagka nag-bell, stop. Clear tayo doon? Okay? So, you're here, one hand clinch. So, syempre, pag nag-double clinch kayo, or nag-takedown attempt kayo dito, pin against the cage, tigil kagad yun. Okay? So, better make sure, meron kayong isang clinch, kung gusto nyo mag-lean sa cage, tapos gusto nyo umatake. Okay? Question so far, gentlemen? Coaches?
Coach, pwede ng sapatos.
Pwede.
Boxing walang feeling ko
Wala. So, ang suntok lang.
Suntok lang.
Pag nag-clinch yung kalaban, para pwede yung defending opponent mag-ano din, mag-bear hug para, for example,
Hindi, so the moment na magkaroon ng double hand tackling situation,
regardless of the two.
Oh, so for example, so that's a very good point. Yung susunod natin, dito, imbis na sumuntok din siya, ginawa ni Joey, sumunod siya. So ito yung situation kayo ngayon dito. Break tayo. So,
headbutts
the clinching part can be both offensive and defensive for you guys. Linaw natin dito para you can use it to your advantage. You can devise a game plan and you can be creative with how you use clinch. Okay? Para you can use whatever is available. Neck clinch.
Nag-neck clinch siya.
It's still a clinch.
Pwede. Okay, pwede.
So ideally, so ito ang initial clinch mo.
Sabi niya
Yes. Okay.
Questions tayo, fighters. Kayo, yung tanong nyo gusto ko sagutin kasi kayo ang hindi kayo okay, tanongin nyo kami.
Pwede ito, no?
Pwede. Yes. Pwede. Single arm clinch. Pwede. Single arm clinch. Tandaan nyo, basta single arm clinch.
Matalang resort.
Partner lang dati.
Yung what happens, or what applies sa cage side, then also applies sa distance. So for example, Florence, upon contact, combinations, initiate ng clinch, sumpok. This na sumuntok din siya, ginawa ni Florence, nag-underhook. Boom. Stalemate tayo dito. Normally, ang window nun is 5 seconds. Okay? Give or take 5 seconds. Then referee calls break.
When you say window, 5 seconds, saka ganun lang kayo. Break through.
Coaches, may question pa tayo? Okay, so, gentlemen, okay, it takes a lot of balls to do what you guys are going to do. I'm very, very happy to be part of this. We're all honored that you guys are here and you're going to do this. Okay? So, looking forward to what you guys will do later on. So, habang hindi pa tayo nagsistart ako, thank you for doing this kasi mamaya hindi na kami pwede mag-contact. Okay? So, coaches, fighters, okay?